Hi guys, me Exploded Creeper here, and my dog has just given birth, and I'm going to show you the puppies. So, enjoy the video. Anyway guys, I am back, and this is the first one. It's a girl, little girl. So, here she is, little pup. So I'm just going to put her back, and we'll see the next one. And this is number 2 of the girls, and we've only got 2 girls. So, this is the other one. She's got some spots on her, her dad. Haven't you? Yuck. Just gonna put her back, and then I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll do some more pup videos. Stop squeaking. Okay, bye.